We have two spectacular matches lined up for the day. The first one is Puneri Bappa versus Raigad Royals.
Heads. Heads is the call and tails it is. So Ruturaj, you have won the toss. What have you decided?
We'll look to bowl first.
ऋतुराज is the captain. शाह, तैसवाल. जी हाँ, ये है रायगढ़ रॉयल्स की टीम. विशांत मोरे कैप्टन है. सिद्धेश्वीर, रोहन मरवा.
जो बल्लेबाज है सिद्धेश्वीर, शुरुआत अच्छी कर देते हैं, फिर उसमें एक गलत शॉट मार के आउट होके चले जाते हैं.
Skipper Vishant More has just scored 5 in the first 2 matches. But on the other hand, the Forest Puneri Bappa, Sachin Bhosle picked up 3 wickets in his first 2 matches. The leg side, hey, was the call. It was in the air for some time, but perfectly in the gap. And with that single, Raigad Royals and Siddheshwar have opened their account.
ये लेग स्टंप के बाहर थिया, पूरा फायदा उठाया सिद्धेश्वीर ने. A good shot there. Brilliant shot on his legs for 4 runs.
Vishant More making room, pulled well. 1 bounce, 4 runs. Short ball, cuts it well. The deep backward point was placed, but he is played it squarer than the fielder. 4 runs. Yes, you are expecting that. Pitched up, nicely played. 4 runs to start the 5th over.
कट किया है गैप में सिद्धेश्वीर ने, बढ़िया टाइमिंग के साथ बेहतरीन चौका.
Getting wet there and yes, full value boundary.
There's a mix-up there. What a lovely partnership and what a way to go. There will be a lot of disappointment here for the captain More, the way this has happened, because they were going great guns, they were batting well.
Does Vishant More for 19, run out. It's 52 for 1. Naushad Sheikh, the new man in.
This is exactly what you need to do. Get an opportunity, get runs.
Whoa! Is that out? Yes! Tried to glide that one, but goes straight into the hands of the wicketkeeper, Suraj Shinde. Tried to play a very cute shot and just stuck in the end.
Yep, broken that partnership.
Mehul Patel on crease, that they had a 50-run partnership. That's much better. Up and over, 1 bounce boundary. That's going to help your cause.
Once again in the air, it'll clear the field now with great ease.
और 6 रन के लिए यहाँ पर बढ़िया शॉट था. अच्छा कमबैक किया है आखिरी गेंद पर.
Half century for Siddheshwar with that single, played really well. Now he needs to get going. 15 42 balls, 108 for 2. Slow one, no, the cow corner, 6 runs. This 3rd over considered 22, short ball, no chance for the fielder there. Goes straight and goes well. A couple of bounces, 4 runs. Oh, that's huge. That is going long. Oh, the square leg region. And the fielder had long on, just over him. 6 runs to end the over.
धीमी गति से फेंकी थी ये बॉल, बढ़िया टाइमिंग, एक और 6 और ये इनका पहला 50. मेहुल पटेल का पहला 50. केवल 24 बॉल में ये 50 रन उन्होंने पूरे किए. ओहो, क्या बात है, एक और 6.
Makes room for himself as he collected, no fielder there, and it's going long. So a hat trick of 6s.
ओह, क्या बढ़िया हिट थी. बॉलर के हाथ पर लगकर एक और बाउंड्री। ये बेहतरीन ओवर खट रहा है अभी तक। 25 रन आ चुके हैं इसमें।
And make that 29! Batting of the highest class! 177 for 2 after 18. Dancing and gets 4. Not exactly where he was. Oh, going for the reverse. Again gets the edge and gets the 4. Oh yeah, देखिए. Again, what is that shot?
Outside the off stump, room this time, slashed hard, another boundary. What an over! 18 runs off the 19th over.
Oh, that's huge! That's up in the air. Fielder under it. Fielder, difficult catch taken. Yashir Sagar, the fielder, and it's Ghosh who came into bowl, a new bowler.
Went for it, went too high, didn't go the distance, and very well judged catch because it's very windy out there. But well done, Mehul Patel. 83 in 33 deliveries, 195 for 3 now.
In comes Rishabh Rathod.
This time in the air, it's Yash again. No problem. Thank you very much. Another one down. No, they couldn't. Slow delivery again. Didn't time it too well. High up in the air. No problem for Yash. Windy or not, I'm going to take them. So Rathod gone for 1. 197 for 4.
Rohan Marwa, the new batter. Ramakrishna Ghosh has made sure that the Raigad Royals don't touch the 200 run mark. 199 for the Raigad Royals, just 4 runs of the last over. What an inspired bowling change. A run being checked for that one shot. Oh, can that be just a run off the last ball? We'll have a look at that. Is it one shot? Where is the bat landing? Looks safe. Yes, he has grounded his bat. So Rohan Marwa has made no error at the non-striking end. That is discussed so much. The shift of the momentum. This last over certainly goes in the favor of Forest Puneri Bappa.
Puneri Bappa with a target of 200, exactly 200.
Pawan Shah still needs to get some runs under his belt this season. Shubham Taiswal as well. 2 openers who haven't had the best of starts in the tournament so far.
That's the change that Raigad Royals have made. Oh, straight away on the mark. कदमों का इस्तेमाल किया, जबरदस्त शॉट वहां पर और ये छक्का.
And out. Was attempting the short arm jab. He didn't get a wicket in the first over, but his second over got the wicket of Taiswal. An easy catch at short mid-wicket.
Yes, the pressure was building up, and Taiswal, who had scored just 2, he goes back for 2, 12 for 1. The Yash Shirsagar. But his delivery, oh, misfield. And the ball will race through to the fence. Again, huge appeal there, and it's been given. We kept talking about the pressure.
Big wicket for the Raigad Royals. Really well bowled. Saw him come down the track, corrected the length and picks up that wicket. Pawan Shah departs after getting 11, 21 for 2.
Rohan Damle walks in to a pressure situation.
Oh, nicely played. Good shot.
पैरों पे डालेंगे, हवा में गेंद यहाँ पर चौका आ सकता है और चौका मिलेगा रोहन को.
Again in the gap, Naushad not quite able to stop that. Fielder deep back with square leg has done a good job, but the umpires will do a boundary check. Oh, has the ball touched? Touch and go.
इससे बाउंड्री
फिर एक बार लेग साइड की गेंद. रोहन दामले is very strong there.
ये बड़ा शॉट हवा में है बिल्कुल, पर चौका मिलेगा. बोल्ड कर दिया यहां पर विकी ओसवाल ने रोहन दामले को. ये बड़ी विकेट.
The left-handed Rohan Damle was batting well, but he completely missed that. You miss, I hit. Rohan Damle out on 24. Puneri Bappa 57 for the loss of 3 wickets. Piyush Salvi has been substituted in the first innings. Let's see if Rahul Desai as the left-handed.
फिर गुगली हवा में गेंद यहां पर. बाउंड्री बड़ी है, आउट हो सकते हैं और ये आउट. राहुल देसाई इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर, इम्पैक्ट नहीं कर सके.
Here he just gave it a little bit of air. Invited the batter to go for the big one, but couldn't quite clear the boundary. A very good catch by Kadam on the boundary line. The impact player Rahul Desai will have to walk back. He scored 1, 60 for 4. Ruturaj Gaikwad, he walks into bat now.
They'll have to attack. There we go. In the air. Fielder under it. And the catch is taken. Siddeshveer. He can do nothing wrong today. Vicky Ostwal has picked up another wicket.
Just beat him in air once again. Flighted delivery, got a little bit of purchase going against the spin for Shirsagar, and hence the top edge. Yash Shirsagar goes back into the hut, getting 20, 62 for 5.
Can they maintain their 100% record? In comes Suraj Shinde.
Yes, to be honest with you, in last 2 games, our team didn't perform as well. But looking at today's game, Siddeshveer and especially Mehul played exceptionally well and put us in the really good total they set for our team and put us into the great situation as well. I guess this is the one of the best tournament after the IPL, and most of the scouts are coming and watching this.
Takes the outside edge. Is that taken? Yes, it is. Nicely held. Sangvi comes in and has picked up his 2nd wicket.
Shut the face of the bat tad bit too early, and what a catch! What a catch! Diving in front, never the easiest. The ball was dipping. 6th wicket goes back, and Shinde just getting 6 runs to his name.
In comes Ramakrishna Ghosh.
That's the reason, because that is the ability of this champion batsman, Ruturaj Gaikwad.
Is that a chance again? Yes. Or was that a bump ball? Out ahe na kanai. That's what the umpires are asking the batter as well. Clean out hai.
Taking a single, give him the strike. Looking to go with a big expansive drive straight into the hands of covers. Ghosh departs for 2. It's 91 for 7.
Sachin Bhosle, the left-handed batter, brilliant with the ball in hand. Has been brilliant.
बार फिर गति में परिवर्तन किया और जगह बनाकर खेल दिया है सीमा रेखा पार 4 रन के लिए.
और ये हवा में गेंद यहां पर वो छक्का मिलेगा. फुल टॉस गेंद फॉलो किया ऋतुराज को, और ये हवा में गेंद यहां पे आउट हो सकते हैं. ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ बिल्कुल आउट हुए. संघवी की बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी, फिर वही लेंथ डाली थी, यॉर्कर लेंथ. बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश थी ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ की.
Hands down the track, but didn't quite connect it. Straight to long off. Ruturaj goes for 36, 107 for 8. And then Vivek Shelar.
That was a big one. Timed it well. 6 runs.
Once again, deep mid wicket. Again, another 6. 2 successive sixes. Again. Oh. Well attempted there, but a single to end the innings. 129 for 8, and that's Raigad Royals' 2nd victory in MPL. A royal performance by the Raigad Royals. A huge win by 70 runs. Raigad Royals batted first, made 199 for 4 in their 20 overs. Mehul Patel, the star of the show, 83, and Siddeshveer, 76 not out. And Puneri Bappa finished on 129 for 8 from their 20 overs.